Hi there, I'm Paige with Ripl's customer support team, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your brand by adding your business name, type, colors, fonts, and your company logo. To start, make sure you are on the inspiration screen, then tap on the My Business icon in the lower right corner. Tap on Settings. Currently, my business name is The Garden, and the business type is Arts and Recreation. Let's say I'm a coffee shop owner and want to change my name and business type. To do so, I'll tap on the Edit button. Now I'll delete the business name and type in the name of my coffee shop, which is Cafe Perk. Then I'll tap Done. Now to change my business type, I'll tap on Edit, and that will bring up the business type page. Here you can go through our list and select what business type fits best with your business. For me, I'm going to select food and beverage, then tap Done. It's time to add my business logo. Scroll down to where it says Logo and tap on it. This opens up to the photo library page. Here's the logo I want to use, so I'll select it. Once selected, it brings you back to your business setting page, and I can now see that my logo has been set. Next, I'm going to set my brand colors. To do so, I'll tap on the plus button, and that opens up the brand colors page where I can select my primary and secondary colors. Just tap on the color square and it'll bring up a color picker. Select the color that you want, then tap on Done. Now select the secondary color square and pick your secondary color. For me, I'm picking this yellow-orange color. Once you've selected your primary and secondary colors, tap Done. Now it's time to choose fonts. To select your fonts, tap on the plus sign. Tap on the Select Font window, then scroll to the font that you want to use. I'm going to use Cabin. Then tap Done. Go ahead and repeat the process to add your secondary font. I'm going to choose Cabin Condensed. Once you've picked your font, tap on Done. Congratulations, you've just now set your brand. Now, when you create your next post, your brand, logo, colors, and fonts will be set up for your creations. Happy posting!